Little Golden Book. Baby Farm Animals. Baby Farm Animals by Garth Williams. A Golden Book, New York. Western Publishing Company, Incorporated. Racine, Wisconsin. The pictures in this book are by Garth Williams, whose charming baby animals and simple text never fail to delight children. Baby Farm Animals has been a Golden Book favorite for many years. The publishers are happy to present it now as a Little Golden Book. Copyright 1958. Baby sheep is called a lamb. He likes to run in the grass that grows in the meadow. Baby cats are called kittens. They love playing on the farm. At night, the farmer gives them cow's milk, and they curl up together in the big red barn. Baby rabbit lives in a hutch, which is her tiny little house. She sniffs noses with the kittens and puppies because they are all friends. Baby guinea pigs also have a hutch. Have you ever seen a guinea pig's tail? That rabbit has been up to some mischief, says the brown guinea pig. Baby donkey loves to eat juicy carrots. He is sitting down because he is tired. Somebody is trying to make him stand up and follow those carrots tied on the end of a stick. I know that trick, he says. Baby ducks are called ducklings. They swim in the pond with their wide webbed feet. Why don't you come for a swim? They ask the little chicks. Baby chickens are called chicks. They cannot swim. Mother says we must look for worms and stay out of the water, they reply. Baby pigs are called piglets. They love clean straw to sleep on. A piglet digs with his nose, which is called a snout. If you pick him up or chase him, he will squeal for his mother. Help, help, help! Baby dogs are called puppies. They stay in the stable, close to the horses. They growl and bark at strangers. They pretend that the shoe is a big cat. They growl and bark at it too. Baby goats are called kids, just as little boys and girls are. They try to knock each other down by butting their heads together. Their father has horns and a pointed beard. Baby swans are called cygnets. Now they are covered with smoke-colored down, but soon they will have pure white feathers and long, long necks. Baby goose is called a gosling. She will be a big gray goose someday. See her brother with his head under the water? He is looking for something to eat. Baby horse we call a foal. She could walk the same day she was born. Now, after a week, she gallops. When she is 2 years old, she will be a beautiful horse, and she will be able to carry a rider on her back. Perhaps she will even win a race. Baby pony is taking kitten and puppy for a ride. He is a Shetland pony, so he will not grow very much bigger. Baby cow is called a calf. She says, "Moo!" It is time for lunch.